evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Following the economic fallout in the bauxite alumina industry, more emphasis is being placed on the tourism sector to fill the gap. And at least one player has taken on the challenge with plans to build a brand new hotel in Jamaica. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Couples Resorts looking to increase its business by adding a new hotel with over 540 rooms to the group. CEO Glenn Lawrence says the new property will sit on about 40 acres of land and will become the largest in the group. The new hotel is to be constructed in Trelawney. But that's not the only expansion in the pipeline. Mr. Lawrence explained that the luxury hotel is also adding more rooms to one of its existing locations.
We think minimally we can expand by another 150 rooms to bring the hotel up to 300 rooms. Now, you have to understand that we are not looking to take on the 1,000-room giants of this world. That's not our space. Our space is to provide a romantic setting for couples who will pay that extra premium for that extra experience.
But how will the expansion plan be funded?
We're not saying anything just yet, but as you can see from our presentation, we have expansion plans, and like all expansions require funding, and that's all I'll say.
And while the company gets ready to move into another phase of its development, Mr. Lawrence says the plan is to keep the organizational structure simple.
We're not overly concerned with many committees and vice presidents all over the place. We're very tight as it relates to our group, our size, and we're very lean as it comes to how the organization fits.
He stressed that the chain is prepared to make significant investments in Jamaica, highlighting a commitment to secure jobs for Jamaicans instead of looking overseas.
Out of 2,000 staff, we only have 2 work permits. Now, I did not appreciate this until I saw some numbers from some of the other hotel groups and how many work permits that are being given to some of the other hotel groups. So, as well as being a Jamaican company, you can see that we're extremely dedicated to the local cause as it relates to employment, etc.
Couples Resorts is a family business which was established 40 years ago by founder Abe Issa. There are currently 4 locations on the island. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.46. The Canadian dollar closed at $102.32. The pound is going for $173.78, while the euro ended the day at $149.93. To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 9 points today, while the junior market index is down by 1 point. Among the winners, Mayberry Jamaica Equities, Kingston Wharves, Key Insurance, Siboney Group, and Lasca Manufacturing. On the losing side, we had Epley Caribbean Property Fund, Paramount Trading, Dolphin Cove, Sagicor Select Fund, and Wigton Wind Farm. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.